Hey guys, it's Lynette. I just came back really quick to make a really fast video just to let you guys know I'm okay. Sorry I haven't been around. I've been going through some things and just opted not to do a video while I was processing. Most of them I'm not going to talk about because it's kind of personal stuff, but the one that had me, pretty, I don't even know the word to describe it, freaked out, worried, stressed. One of my kids was admitted to the hospital, and he's better now. I believe he will be released tomorrow, hopefully. But if you're a parent, it's a hard thing. He lives in the same state, but California is a huge state, and because I'm on chemo, he did not want me to leave the house and run the risk of getting sick. Even when he's in the hospital, he's still thinking about me. But thank you for your patience. And again, sorry I haven't been around. Nothing much is going on with my health. I did Wednesday when I got my first dose of Abraxane added to the Gemcitabine. I don't know if I ate too much, but I vomited. And it was only once, and usually when you're on chemo, once you go, it's like opening the floodgates, and it should happen time after time. But it was only once, so I think I just ate too much. I think. The rest of the days have been just normal. Getting my Zarzio shots. I felt bone pain maybe only one day, and it's because I forgot to take the Claritin. I'm still taking the B17. My daughter's blowing me up right now, so I am going to cut this short, but I'm taking the B17 still. I'm going to continue to take it. Yeah, I think that's it. Sorry, I'm a little, but again, I just wanted to come back with a quick update and let you guys know I am okay. Thank you so much for checking in on me. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I told you that before. I'm lucky. I'm a lucky girl. Yeah, that's it for now. If anything comes up in the next couple days, I will make a video. If not, I may not make another video until after my next chemo treatment, which is Wednesday. And today's Thursday the 20th, so like in 6 more days. Okay? There's a couple things that I am going to look into. There are different type of zoles. Because I had found before I started the Gemcitabine and Abraxane this write-up somewhere, and I have been trying to rediscover it. I don't remember where I found it at, but it talks about different types of zoles working with different types of cancers. And then in my comments, I have gone in and approved all of them. I haven't been able to respond to all of them yet, but you'll see in the comments other people have mentioned that to me as well and provided links. So that's some really great information. Oh, that's right. Tuesday when I go in for my blood work, I'm going to post what the normal ranges are, what my ranges are with just gemcitabine, and then the update when they added in the Abraxane. And I have to tell you, I forgot to do a Zarzio shot. I was supposed to take 5. Last time I was only taking 3. I cannot give myself the injection, and the person that gives me the injection had to go out of town. So yeah, I could have went to the hospital, but I didn't. I was getting some ugly bone pain from the last shot anyway, so I don't think it's going to have any effect on my blood work, but we'll see, right? So I will be back at the very latest on Tuesday to give you guys those results. It's going to take me a while because I have to pop in and out of different screens, and then take it into Photoshop so that I could get all of, you know, what the actual normal is, what my gemcitabine was, and then my gemcitabine with the Abraxane was. So I'll get that done as quickly as possible though. Okay, thanks you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.